Just get us started. Why did Warren Buffett like these shares?
Well, I think it's definitely a big statement that these companies he's really interested in, right? You know, Buffett himself has stuck close to home often with his investments. You know, he loves American companies. He often kind of wants to invest in them. But he's talked for years about how he wants Berkshire to start kind of expanding more globally in terms of the companies that they're investing in. And I think this really signifies that they're willing to put money in many different companies abroad nowadays.
So, Kat, does this mean this is just the beginning in terms of, as you say, diversifying his holdings in a more global scale?
I think it definitely signals that. You know, he says in the statement that he's, really excited to have Berkshire be able to participate in the future of Japan. And I think, we've seen Berkshire has an investment in BYD, the electric car company. And I think we've seen them sort of be willing to say, we want to take an investment in companies that we think are going to be kind of the next stage for these different countries. And so I wouldn't rule it out that we might see him step even more into investments abroad.
Berkshire also saying that they intend to hold these Japanese investments for the long term. What does that usually mean for Berkshire?
Yeah, Buffett, by his nature, is a long-term investor. He loves to, make these stakes and hold them for many years. I mean, they say that, he's held Coca-Cola stock for 32 years. And I think this really signifies that they've done their research on these companies. They know, what they're investing in and what they're putting their money behind. And they're willing to say, hey, for the next couple decades at least, we're willing to kind of back them.